Welcome to the Active Observer, where we explore the physics behind AC and DC current measurement. Every current leaves a magnetic fingerprint. Ampere's law states that a current-carrying conductor generates a magnetic field proportional to the amperage, which is the data we must decode. Induction-based current transformers have a blind spot. They require a changing field, so while they can detect AC, they yield zero output for the steady state of DC current. Edwin Hall discovered the solution in 1879, the Lorentz force. A magnetic field cutting through a current-carrying plate pushes electrons to the side, creating a measurable voltage. This electron pileup creates the Hall voltage. The stronger the magnetic field, the greater the transverse potential difference, which we use for measurement. Transduction is an active sensing process. Unlike passive current transformers, Hall effect sensors are active and require an external battery to drive the control current. Hall sensors capture static DC by detecting flux density. Because they don't rely on a changing field, they can weigh the static magnetic field of direct current and output a steady proportional voltage. To track dynamic AC, the sensor is fast. As the AC magnetic field fluctuates, the Hall voltage fluctuates in sync. The microcontroller samples this changing voltage to calculate the true RMS value. The magnetic lens of a clamp meter uses a ferrite core to concentrate the magnetic flux, directing it through a small air gap where the Hall element sensor is placed for measurement. The price of sensitivity is zeroing. Hall sensors see everything, including the Earth's magnetic field. Before measuring DC, you must establish a zero baseline to subtract ambient magnetic noise. Comparing the technologies, current transformers are passive and measure AC only via induction. Hall effect sensors are active, require a battery, measure AC plus DC via transduction, and require zeroing. Technical specifications include low power consumption, requiring auto power off, and high sensitivity down to 0.001 amps. The frequency response shows AC roll-off at higher frequencies. Safety is paramount. Non-contact measurement eliminates arc flash risk, but high voltage is still present. Keep fingers behind the safety barrier to maintain Cat3 isolation. By converting magnetic flux into voltage, Hall effect technology bridges the gap between static and dynamic, allowing us to safely measure the complete spectrum of electricity.